Good evening, our viewers. Today's menu is very simple. We are cooking ugali and boiled meat. Here I have some ingredients. First, we have our meat here. We have garlic. We have ginger. We have onions. And lastly, we have our potatoes. These are the only ingredients that we are going to use to prepare our boiled meat, and it's very delicious and healthy. We will not add any oil on this meat. First, we cut on it into sizable pieces. This is beef. So I'll start cutting into small, but not that small pieces, but sizable. We normally cut them into small pieces, then we wash. Are you together? Mm-hmm. Do you know that? Or you always wash first, then you cut. What is the best procedure?
You cut, then you wash.
Cut them, then you wash.
Yeah.
But you can wash first and then cut. It's all the same, is it?
Yeah.
So this is the cut meat. You can cut them into small pieces. Some people prefer boiling it the way it is before they cut it, and then cut it later. Are these big sizes? Oh, it's sizable. Can it fit in your mouth as a whole? And after cutting it, I'll take it to basin here. I'll get another one. I think today this meat is much more. I'm cutting them into big sizes because I'm not doing any fry, just boiling with all these ingredients. This is also some beef fat. I think you'll only take this one. What do you say?
No.
No. This is healthy. But as you know, you want to cook a healthy meat, We don't need to add any ingredients like Royco. We use natural ingredients. This is the last portion that we have. This one is called
bone marrow.
This is bone marrow. Good for your bones. Now this is our last portion. What I'm going to do, I want this meat to take the shortest time possible, so I'm going to use pressure cooker. So you wash our meat nicely. As I said before, some people prefer not to wash the meat because you lose some taste. So this is that's what we are doing. Then from there I add water. I want enough water because I have to get some soup. From there to the fire. It's enough. Our lid that tightens got broken. Now we use our pliers to tighten it. Make sure it is tight so that most of the pressure remains inside for the meat to cook to tender. So from there, put on the fire and wait. Give it some minutes so that it can be ready as we do other things. And this is Precious. She is doing the peeling of potatoes. Are you happy doing that too?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
I think if you're happy,
I am.
you look sad.
I'm not.
You're not?
Yes.
But you're taking too long to do the potato.
I'm finishing.
You're finishing?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, as we continue, let us pour out this water. Pour out this water. Put in the clean water a little bit so that I can wash my. This is ginger, good for health. This is good for health. For blood circulation, this is good. Do you know that? You should. Now let's start with this ginger. I cut it into small pieces. You don't need to peel any. Why is it dark? Today I've decided not to grate. This is enough. Our boiled meat. Now, our next ingredient is garlic. See, when you cut garlic, it just peel itself. Then we do peeling. Very easy. Have you seen the easiest way to peel the garlic?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You're just saying yeah. So now I can cut them into small pieces. I don't need to grate them because I'm doing boiling. So if you cook anything, especially meat, don't forget to add these ingredients like garlic, ginger. These are good for your health. Good for your health. As we're cooking today, we are not adding any oil. Keep oil off for today. And who is cooking garlic? Who is cooking garlic? Who?
You.
No, me, I'm not cooking garlic. I choose you between you and Precious, who is cooking garlic. I want to see how you cook ugali. I taught you how to cook ugali. A nice ugali. This one now is okay. It's very much okay. It's what we call what do you call Japan?
Green bell.
Sorry?
Bells or pepper. Green pepper.
Spoiled bell pepper.
Yeah.
What are you calling it? How are you calling it? So this bell pepper has stayed for some time. It's okay. Now I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Now we put this one aside. Small pieces. As we remove this one, put it away, throw it away. So and hear some sound of our pressure cooker. And the pressure is now full. Now pressure cooker. was trying to escape, but this time you see when the potato is up, we have this knob moving around and some water is coming out. So what we normally do is reduce the fire so that it takes it aside. This one has fallen down, we need to wash it. Yeah. Now second last ingredient is onion. We're using red onion. Our potatoes are ready, so now we need to wash it. I will not cut them into half pieces, but I will cook them the way they are. So for this one, so we put it here for the next use. Okay. Now after now they are ready to be sold. Now we give this one 10 minutes. Then we put on the fire. We wait it to cool down. Then we add all the ingredients. We add what we call ginger, garlic, onion, bell pepper, and black meat or potato. We put it off the fire. We wait it to cool down before we add our other ingredients. We used to add some ingredients, so we want to remove some pressure before we put on it. Removing the pressure. The heat was too much. Add the remaining. Opening it one by one. That is it. How do you see it? Do you feel that it is ripe?
I guess so.
I think it is cooked. It is cooked. What I wanted to do, now what I'm doing right now, I want to get some soup. So I want to reduce this soup. This is 1 cup. Second cup. And third cup. A half cup. I think that one is okay for now. So what I want to do, I want to do some mixing here. So the mixing I want to do here is to make this soup stronger. There's something I've forgotten. Something I've forgotten. This is salt. I forgot to put salt. Let's mix it for some. Just leave it the way it is. So the soup is now stronger for us to take it. See, it has changed to milk-like. Milk-like. This is the sweetest soup ever. This one. Now what next? I need to get another cup. Give me another cup. So somebody will take this one. And somebody will take this one. Precious, come. Oh? Come. Take this one to Mama. Let me keep this one here. Now what we do, we are adding everything here now. Mixing everything. So this one, put it here, inside here. Remember, we are not adding any oil on this. We mix it. We mix it. There is somebody who likes tasting. Let me take this one. Is it to her? Is it to her? Or to him?
To everyone.
Hmm?
To everyone.
Is it enough?
Yeah.
So now we close it again. So that it takes a few minutes and the potatoes will be ripe. Tighten it again. Next, what do we do? We go back to our fire again. Oh, sorry, there's something I've forgotten. I'm not reminding me. What do you think you've forgotten?
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper. And we're just keeping quiet. So let us add bell pepper. I think now we've added everything. put our potatoes. What else? How do you call it? Ginger and bell pepper. I've said potatoes, bell pepper, ginger, garlic. Now I hope they are all right. And for this reason, I want to put off the fire. Put this aside. Are you together?
Yes.
So that it can continue cooking using the steam inside the pressure cooker. Now, for now, I'm through. I just want to clean my place. Are you together?
Yes.
So let me clean this first. Cleaning is next to?
Yes.
Yes. That you need another one. Are you together? As I said before, as you cook,
You clean.
yes. So now I'm cleaning it. Okay. A knife. Another knife. Our blender. Next to be cleaning. Now I'm through. Now what you need is ugali. The person that is going to cook ugali is who?
Dorcas.
Thank you, viewers. Handing over to Dorcas. Now you can see our ugali is ready. Serving. Who prepared this ugali?
Workers.
Dorcas is the one who prepared this ugali.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are ready to serve. We are ready to serve.
Serve.
Serve. These small ones are for
And Dorcas. And Dorcas.
good. Everything is ready for service. Let's open and see what has happened. Do you want to see? Do you want to get a surprise?
Yes.
That is what is called boiled
Meat.
meat. It is called boiled meat. Now, let us start. This ugali is too soft. This ugali is too soft. I don't know why.
That's good. So that's good. Who's that one? Who's for that one?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes, I'm just serving.
That's for you.
No, this one is for me. I don't eat a lot at night. Who needs to be happy?
This one.
Who is for this one? Mom.
I don't know.
And this one?
That's mine.
That's yours. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, let us go to our main menu. We start with this one first. Okay, let's start with when you mix meat. When you mix meat with potato, you reduce the cholesterol. Yes. So, how do you see that?
Good.
Everybody has to get
3.
not 3, just the potato. Okay.
Yeah.
And a little bit of
Soup.
this soup is so nutritious. Do you need more soup? Do you need more soup?
No.
Okay. Refusing.
I just need more meat.
What?
I just need more meat.
Yes, it is. Need meat. Need meat.
Yes.
It is. This one is for
Mom.
And this one is for
me.
this one.
Yes.
That is not mine.
Dorcas.
Mine is small.
Don't you eat such a lot of meat, girl?
I don't know. You said I'm the one who takes bones. Okay, I agree. Take my bone.
What's that in the inside?
Hmm?
What's that in the inside?
That is bone marrow. Okay, this marks the end of our video, and now we are good to go. Thank you, viewers. Continue subscribing our channel. Bye.
Bye.